Jira, Confluence. Which project management system are you using for your collaborations? Well, today we're going to explore both of the software and we're going to see which one you should be using. So let's dive in. Now, who hasn't heard of Jira software? Jira is quite a leader in project management. So they offer customizable workflows. So Jira lets teams tailor workflows to match unique project needs. You can define statuses, transitions, and rules to optimize your executions. This increases efficiency overall, and it provides more of a clear, more visual progress tracking. You can actually adapt workflows easily to meet changing project demands as well as complexities. Now, I am a visual thinker, so this for me is a fantastic thing. Also, you get agile reporting, so you get real-time insights. You can track velocity, sprint burnout, and cumulative flow for accuracy. You also get to make data-driven decisions rather than hoping and guessing in the dark. And it offers visual dashboards, which are clear charts to simplify monitoring of key agile metrics quite efficiently. Having a look at their issue tracking as well over here, you can actually use their complete task capture over here. So you can actually record bugs. You can have your user stories and your tasks throughout your project cycles. Also, it is a powerful search and filter, so you can actually quickly find and prioritize critical issues for fast resolution, and you get a full audit trail. So you can track all the detailed histories to boost accountability as well as team collaboration. Some of their integrations, which is fantastic, it includes things like Confluence, Bitbucket, Slack, and a ton more. If you are working with software already, when you jump over here to Jira, then it will be fantastic to be able to integrate them and work with them all in one centralized place. One or two of their drawbacks. It's quite a complex setup, so initially your configuration can be quite difficult. It may require you to hire in somebody to get it up and running for you. Then also large projects with many users can slow Jira. This, of course, is a performance issue, and it can really delay your project completion. We're jumping into Confluence now, and Confluence centralizes all of your team's knowledge and project information. It removes info silos and it keeps everyone updated with best practices and key resources. This streamlined access improves collaboration and enables smart decisions. Also, it has collaborative editing. This is real-time teamwork. So multiple users can actually edit the same document simultaneously without any conflicts. It offers immediate feedback, enabling fast content creation and quick revisions, and you can easily revert to previous document versions. It also offers customizable templates, so your project plans, you can have pre-instructed layouts to organize your tasks efficiency. It offers consistent formats to capture discussions and decisions, and it offers templates that ensure clarity and uniformity across all of your content and your team. Having a look at some of the integrations that it offers, you can integrate the software with pretty much anything to do any other type of business workflow. So anything from Jira, Trello for project tracking. It also integrates with Slack, Google Workspace for streamlined communication, and it's a cross-functional workflow, which is fantastic. It minimizes switching between apps, and that can waste time, and you can end up losing data in between. One or two of their drawbacks is their steep learning curve. Of course, all of the software comes with quite a steep learning curve. This is something that you need to take into consideration when you are looking for software like this. Does it suit your needs? Does it suit your knowledge or capability? And once you've sort of assessed that, then you can move forward and make a decision. Also, the search function may be inefficient at finding specific content. This is just something personal that I've laid down here. It's not as easy to search for content through large amounts of data. So there you go, folks. Project management software at a glance. The key takeaway here really is to explore both of these tools and see which one fits your personal needs. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we will see you next time.